Okay, guys. So hello. Today I'll teach you how to use the O tool. Sorry, N. I mean N. N tool is set constraint mode. Okay. So basically, there are times that you cannot just simply snap a panel. So let's take this for example. Okay. So there are times that how much hard you try, you won't be able to snap this panel. Okay, so that where our end tool or second constraint tool comes in. Okay, so basically, it will force that panel to snap with the area that you want to snap it in. Okay, so take this for example. So we press N. Okay, so again, M is for adjustment, correct, and N is for snapping. So we press N and we select the area that we want to be snapped on. So for example, this one, I want to snap with this one. So we need to make sure that this area is glued or anchored, okay, so that it will not move. So press N and we select this area, press O. It means this orange dot, it means that this point or panel is glued or permanently glued. It will not move whatever we do. And this one we will attach to this one. Okay, so what we do is, okay, so this one is already set. Okay, it's anchored. So we will select this one, press Y, and then press Y to this point and press space. Okay. So again, so we need to make sure that this area or this area will not move because if we don't use for example we don't use O, so if we press space also this time it works, but as you can see the panel moved from here. So see it, whereas we do not want this area or this point to move, so we need to anchor this one. So press O. So orange means it's locked. Okay. So press Y and then press Y and then space to connect. As you can see, this area did not move. Okay. So that's how we use the O tool. It's very useful if we have panels that basically won't snap to each other. Okay. So thank you.